That's okay. I know. Well, thank you, guys. They were good. Okay. Got some good videos.
All right, so Friday is decision with me. Please just look over your horse GI anatomy a little bit, okay? I do have a cool video. We won't be going to sleep too bad, okay? And then we'll go over some of the stuff. Next Wednesday for clinical procedures, we start cattle, and it's, a double lecture, which means we do a lecture, we take a break, we do a lecture, we eat, we come back, we do a lecture, we do a lecture. But I'll come up with some videos. I was looking over some videos, and then the following week, we're going to get into some where we do our labs with the cattle farm, okay? Hopefully, if we get a day like this, we're going to have some fantastic. Alrighty? Any questions on goats and sheep and these small room goats? I know a lot of y'all got a lot of stuff here today. Well, if you didn't get your physical exams, and we got some stuff we can only do on the cattle, we'll have to wait until we get those in the sheep. Alright? Cool? Good job. Blood horse. Everybody know we did patrol to make sure that we picked up all the needles. We don't have anything to crash in here. Okay, make sure we clean up after ourselves.
Hey guys. Sorry. Our good little patient. He's running away. Says, I don't know about this noise.
You have long hair coming out of his nose. Oh, he does.
That's a baby. Yeah. Come here, speaker.